Welcome to Vvsma Academy, a school of arts and science, a mission with a vision. Dear students, once again, you please follow up our discipline of the Vvsma Academy. Log in at 5 p.m. and log out at 6 p.m. This is Veerabhadra. Welcome you again to my YouTube for your reference studies, 10th standard, SSLC 2022 and PUC students and other reference competitive examination students also. ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗ್ರಾಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. WRD. Well, friends, after that, I would like to divert your attention towards our Vision Village School Master Academy. Physics, light, optics. In the optics, the dual nature of light. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗ್ರಾಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದೃಗ್ವಿಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಓದುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದು ದೃಗ್ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗೋಚರವಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ದೃಗ್ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ. ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗೋಚರ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವರ್ತನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಸಂವಹನ ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸುವ ಮತ್ತು ಶೋಧಿಸುವ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳ ರಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಅನ್ವಯಿಸುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಒಂದು ಶಾಖೆ. ದೃಗ್ವಿಜ್ಞಾನವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಗೋಚರವಾದ ಅತಿ ನೇರಳೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅತಿಗೆಂಪು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಬಗೆಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ is a branch of physics that studies the behavior and properties of light, its interaction with the object, and the structure of the equipment used for explore. Optics is a branch of physics that studies the behavior and optics, the properties of light, etc. Well, the dual nature of light. Dual nature of light is classified into Newton's corpuscular theory and the Huygens wave theory. That means corpuscles and the waves. The light consists of 7 basic properties, that is reflection of light, refraction of light, diffraction of light, polarization of light, scattering of light, interference of light, dispersion of light. So my dear friends, very important notice that corpuscular theory, corpuscles, that is particle theory and the corpuscles, corpuscular theory cannot explain the phenomena of diffraction, interference and polarization of light. Well, this is a very important concept that we are already discussed about the dual nature of light. Now, Newton's corpuscles theory statement explains that according to the Newton's corpuscular theory, light is made up of tiny particles called corpuscles or particles having negligible mass. These particles or corpuscles are perfectly elastic. The corpuscles are emitted from the luminous source such as the sun, candle, electric lamp, etc., which are the sources of light. The tiny particles always travel in a straight line in all directions. Such particle carries kinetic energy with a while moving. Any particle is moving means it is the kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving particle is called kinetic energy. The corpuscles travel at high velocity. The corpuscles would travel faster in the denser medium than in the rarer medium. When the particles fall on the retina of the eye, they produce an image of an object or sensation of vision. The corpuscles can be different size. The different colors of light are due to the different sizes of the corpuscles. Vision Village Schoolmaster Academy explains about the Newton's corpuscular theory. So incident ray, reflected ray, etc. So now the particle theory explains the ball falls on the wall, it reflects. 1 minute. So let us continue about the diffraction of light. Newton's corpuscular theory of light explains the proposition existence of corpuscles. Well, importance of concepts of wave theory and all